Get this at the most discounted and best price, including free trial. Make sure to check out the official link at the description. Are you struggling with stubborn weight, low energy, or simply want to feel more vibrant? Many people don't realize the secret to a slim, toned body and abundant energy lies within our cells, mitochondria. Harvard scientists discovered that low mitochondrial levels are common in overweight individuals, while high levels correlate with slim physiques and smooth skin. Mitochondria are your body's tiny engines, converting food and fat into ATP energy, crucial for fat burning and overall vitality. Introducing Mitolyn, the revolutionary dietary supplement designed to boost your mitochondrial levels naturally. Mitolyn features a proprietary blend of 6 powerful plant-based, non-GMO ingredients, each carefully selected for its unique benefits. First, maqui berry, rich in anthocyanin antioxidants, promotes mitochondrial health and supports a healthy heart and cholesterol levels. Next, rhodiola, with over 140 polyphenols like rosavin and saladroside, enhances mitochondrial function, reduces stress, and supports brain health. Haematococcus algae, a source of astaxanthin, is known for promoting mitochondria, supporting joint health, and boosting immunity. Amla fruit, packed with flavonoids, aids mitochondrial health, digestion, and vision. Theobroma cacao, containing the epicatechin flavonoid, supports mitochondria, healthy blood pressure, and even acts as an aphrodisiac. Finally, schisandra berries, powerful antioxidants, promote mitochondrial function, liver health, and skin elasticity. Mitolyn is free of stimulants and comes in easy-to-swallow capsules, making it simple to integrate into your daily routine. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from real customers who have experienced incredible transformations. Peggy B. from Rexton, Michigan, lost 35 pounds and gained boosted confidence, while Russell L. from Macon, Georgia, shed 29 pounds, especially belly fat. Connie A. from Montclair, New Jersey, lost 40 pounds and now has more energy for her kids, all thanks to Mitolyn. Mitolyn is suitable for ages 18 to 80, with a recommended use of 3 to 6 months for optimal results, especially if you're over 35 or have excess weight. Simply take 1 capsule daily with water and experience the difference. Choose from our flexible pricing packages, the basic 1-bottle supply, the bundle of 3 bottles with 2 free bonuses, or our most popular 6-bottle option. 96% of our customers choose the 6-bottle package, which also includes free US shipping. With the 3 or 6-bottle packages, you'll receive 2 incredible bonuses: the 1-day Kickstart Detox and Renew You guides. Your purchase is backed by a 90-day, 100% money-back guarantee, even on empty bottles, with no questions asked. Mitolyn is proudly manufactured in the USA at an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility, ensuring the highest quality and safety standards. This is a one-time payment with no subscriptions or hidden fees, just pure results. Don't wait to unlock your body's full potential for fat burning, increased energy, and a more confident you. Click the link below to order Mitolyn today and start your journey to a healthier, more vibrant life.